Yeah, pain free.
He just said, you make it. How much? How much? We'll do 3,000. Man, come on.
3,000. They finna do it for 3,000.
Yeah, we'll do 3,000. Let's go. Okay.
Alright, here go the car they running up against right here, y'all. Got my boy up here heating that bottle up, getting it ready. He gonna have it on. He gonna put it on 1,000. Purge out about 100 pounds. Y'all been with the real one. Him, he finna drag that ass. You betting on the other side, right?
Who running?
This car right here, you see that Camaro over there? Yeah, we got Mike Richardson versus Scrapper. Which one you going with so we can bet? Let's get our bet on. Wherever you go, I'm going the opposite way. You look like you got about $40, boy. I'm ready to get all, but I'll take 20 of them.
I say Mike.
Man, I'm gonna leave you alone. I'm gonna let you keep your 20. Hey, what's up with you? How much? Let's bet 40 on this next race. I got this side. Success.
Drag that ass.
Yep. Bet. That's a bet. I got that side. I got him, Mike. I'm willing to bet 100. Hey, wait a minute. We're gonna go to start out at 50, and then let's start out at 50. Let me get I need to talk to my people, make sure I'm doing good. I don't want to bet you no more. I want to bet somebody else now, cause you talking about I owe 100. I want to bet somebody else. I don't owe. I don't want to see you no more now. Hell, damn, somebody said Nuke never loses a bet. My boy say this a hard bet, cause he thinking El Animal, Scrapper.
I'm thinking Mike.
Mike, he going with Mike though. He done changed back to he don't know. Yeah, he just hit.
Oh yeah,
he said that's all he need to know. If it take off, it's good. He said he gonna win if it take off. He don't know, y'all. He's still thinking. Somebody say don't bet on this one. I don't know. I don't think I want to bet on this one. Let me see, man. Let me see where my heart is. Man, my heart say Nuke ought to know what that Mike Richardson runs, cause he ain't did no improvement. Mike Richardson, he been at the top for about 2 years, running that same combination, and it been fast the whole time. But this time, Scrapper, they done just swap motors and put an extra kit of nitrous. So now they thinking that they can get over that level that Mike Richardson on. So I don't know if they putting cameras on there though. When they get to putting them cameras, that mean they gonna win, right? Hell no, hold on. Damn, they done put a bad ass motor in here. They wanna whoop Mike. Mike Richardson blow the tires 1 out of every 2 passes. It looked violent off the line too. That's what made me want to bet with him. I seen him had to make a little correction in order to keep it straight, but it was violent and fast. You gotta you gotta drive it. I don't know, this car really ain't just like that to me. Animal, I know he got the lighter car. Scrapping them that learned all the tricks to taking out metal on them damn Mustangs. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna go, man. This is a big race right here, man. It's a fighting race. Hey, look at y'all on my YouTube channel. Oh, wait a minute. Mike Richardson ready, man.
Take it off for $1,000. What? Cause I said it. Take it off for $1,000. Leave it on. $1,000 and you can run it. 1,000 and you can run it. Take it off. 1,000 and you can run it. That's another 1,000 and you can run it.
They got one of them little pickles that don't look like a pickle.
It won't come off. I'll get it on. I got you. No, another 1,000. Or take the motherfucker off. If you scared, say you're scared. Say you're scared, man. You're scared, say you're scared. I said, hey, Nuke boy, you ain't doing your job. I said, bet another 1,000. You ain't doing your job. Sit down, drive over here. Another 1,000. I don't want 2,500 got 10 of them, and all they come up with is 2,500. That's something. 2,500 between 25 people.
Man, I don't know where to go. I ain't betting. Yeah, then I kind of feel like scrapping them. They trying to use everything they got. I feel like Mike Richardson, he confident. Hey, y'all, this car right here, confident. Yeah, this what they want to take off the license plate. Because that license plate in front of the wheel. Just swap motor. He got more nitrous, and it done got faster. Now he trying to see if he can whoop him. So really, I guess it's with him. He the faster car, and this car trying to prove that he faster than him. And they betting 10 grand. Yeah, 10 grand. So the dude, he telling them, since y'all got that plate right there, bet another 1,000. So he seemed more confident on that side. So you gonna bet with the beam cut early, or you bet with the confidence? Or you wanna get? Yep. You going with confidence? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Listen, wait, you want to go back? King R2. King R2, come here. This is what they do best.
Yeah.
This is what these two right here do best. Hands off them best fucking with goddamn King R2.
Okay.
Every time it's a big ball line with that boy, he fold, man. That boy fold. He a folder. He fold, bro. Yeah. Oh, got the money.